Okay.
So Sean,
Yeah. Okay.
what's your spicy take, pun intended, on AI,
right.
artificial intelligence?
Spicy take on AI. Oh, cool. Right. Okay.
Any good? Oh, are you serious?
I'm just joking.
Oh my God.
Cares about the questions, so we're just worried about the next course.
You got to have that as well. That's
Is that that's the thing?
you're good.
Spicy take on AI. Right then, it's a fad. Give it a year. Give it a year, and it'll just fade into.
Seriously?
No, I'm joking. No. No, seriously. I think actually, in all fairness, it's going to be a game changer. I think it already has started, and I think the quicker people adopt it, the better. I think it's going to make businesses a lot more efficient. It's going to help them out a lot. Arguably, will it actually potentially make certain roles redundant, perhaps? But I think, I mean, you're the guru on this, but I think that there will be a new line of roles, and that will be, for want of a better phrase, maybe an AI administrator or something, whereby they're specialists in actually programming, asking the right questions, programming the AI itself to make sure that it responds in the right ways, giving it the right information to respond, I guess. So I think, it's around to stay, and I think it can only improve with time, and it's going to make hopefully our lives a lot easier. And I think that one is that is definitely
Okay, that's good. That's made me happy.
definitely good. So it seems to be getting a little spicier the further we go.
Yeah, so obviously we're quite involved with AI. We're using AI or generative AI quite a lot, and we're doing a lot for clients in terms of automating their processes. And I suppose one thing that, as you sort of touched upon, like sits with me is like, how much of an impact is AI going to have on jobs in the future, and especially around Jersey, where a lot of the jobs in finance and stuff are admin. So AI is particularly good at doing admin work. So you look back in time and you see like the internet came along and the printing press, and like people adapted to that, and new jobs were created and old jobs lost. But AI is slightly different, I suppose. So it is a big question mark, and even the big guys like Sam Altman and Microsoft and the people behind Facebook and stuff like that. I'm getting serious about it. Then it kicks in again, and I'm like, got composed. But it's like it's still it's a big question mark on how many jobs it will take, and so
It's just the unknown, isn't it?
it's a big unknown, and it does sometimes it concerns me, sometimes it doesn't, and so I suppose that's the spicy bit of it is like is it going to change stuff a lot?
It's like a double-edged sword, isn't it? You
can't ignore it. It's happening,
and you can see the benefits, but also you can't quite quantify maybe the downside, I guess.
Yeah. So definitely people have got to embrace it and go with it, because you're going to get left behind if you don't.